Hello and welcome. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back sa aking mga collective. And I do hope everybody are doing well. So, pasensya na guys mga kapatid ha sa aking boses. Ubosip on, uso ngayon. So, nahawa ko sa trabaho yata ito. Anyway, kayo din mga kapatid, ingat kayo palagi. And don't forget to take any medications kung kailangan uminom ng mga gamot. Uminom ka ng mga gamot kung may mga hindi magandang pakiramdam or may mga sakit, no? May mga dinadamdam kayo. So, yeah. Kung hindi kaya ng mga gamot, magpa-doktor kayo mga kapatid, ha? And iwasan magkasakit din. So, again, alagaan ang inyong katawan, mga kapatid. So, ang reading natin ngayon is may nagmamasid sa iyo or all eyes on you. Somehow ay sa iyo nakatutok ang atensyon. Energetically, you have this high vibration. This is meant to find you. This reading is meant to find you collective and timeless. Kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan kayo naayon. Kung hindi naman, wag nyo lang pong lahatin. Wag lang po tayong bitter. Kung hindi nyo ramdam na hindi sa inyo ang reading na ito, din skip nyo na lang. Proceed na lang kayo sa ibang mga reading. Alright, so alamin natin kung bakit pa nasa iyo ang atensyon ng taong ito, kung sino ba siya, no? At ano ang feeling mo sa taong ito. Do you know this person? Or could be stranger, could be relative, works, colleagues, no? Or sa school. So alamin natin. Our spirit and just kamusta ang ating mga collective at this moment, whoever watch this reading. Kumusta ang ating mga collective? The Emperor, everybody are busy, doing well, grounded, and yes, you guys, karamihan sa dito ay focus kayo sa inyong career, studies, kayo ang sumusuporta sa pamilya. At this moment, okay kayo mga kapatid. Yes, may mga gatherings, it could be career night nyo lang na may nagde-date dito or feeling love. Yeah, despite everything, ano mga kapatid. Yeah, oh my God. Ito, that's the reason mga kapatid kung bakit it's like all eyes on you, no? Kung bakit sa iyo nakatutok ang atensyon ng mga tao. It's because people sees you at this moment very workaholic, smart, and kayo ang tumatayong haligi ng inyong pamilya. Sumusuporta. Yes. And also, siguro may mga inggit, no? Chismis. Kahit naman marami kang naririnig, usap-usapan, mga bitter, mas nananaig pa rin ang iyong successful. Mas lalo kang naging successful dahil hindi mo pinapansin itong mga chismis, itong mga bitterness ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kaya nga minsan napapaisip din sila, anong sikreto mo collective? Anong meron sa inyo? Bakit parang mas nagiging gumaganda ka pa lalo? Nakakaramdam ka pa na mas like right now guys, you are truly truly feel being loved by your partner, by your career, studies, your finances, becoming stern, no? Mas nagiging stable ka pa ngayon. Matatag, malakas. Mga reward. Yes, you are receiving reward. I'm hearing like honorable. You are being guided. Someone or something, it could be si universe, yung guides ninyo, are truly protected. Lalong-lalo na, no, kapatid ko, ikaw ay single, whoever trying to, sabihin natin mangliligaw, ano, or approach you, your guide is like, checking out that person kung okay ba yan yung intention niya. So you have a strong guide here. Ang lakas ng or matapang itong guides mo. See, your guide is right behind you, watching you. Someone is sneaking. Meron itong sneaking. Meron kasi itong hindi mo napapansin. Alamin natin kung sino itong sneaky. Okay. Nilalanghap itong flowers, no? Mga bulaklak. I don't know, siguro may significant message here hidden, nakatago, no? Alright, Spirit ka rin Diyos, ano itong sneaky? Sino itong sneaky sa ating mga collective? Okay. Maybe kulang sa pansin. Hindi mo siguro to pinapansin, ang taong ito. Para, mo so guys, mga kapatid, hindi mo siya pinapansin dahil siguro busy ka. Busy ka sa mga career, studies, yes, o pagpapaganda, fashion, sa bago mong love life. Yeah, amo so siguro sa mga anak mo, kung may anak ka. Done. Yeah. Okay. Sneaky, the magician, and the world. I think this person hoping for you na mapansin mo siya. Thinking about you. Namimiss ka. Kung ikaw tong lalaki, I think this person want you to, I don't know, marry you? Marry this person or offer stability, like again, attention, or mangliligaw. Sana ligawan mo siya. Sana kausapin mo siya. Yeah. Kasi meron tong sneaky eh. See, behind the scene, you didn't know na andyan lang pala siya sa tabi mo, naghihintay, nakausapin mo siya to approach this person. Maybe this person is trying hard or they tried, no? Sinubukan ng taong itong nalapitan ka. Kausapin ka or dadaan lang sa harapan mo, say hi, hello, pero iba yung attention mo, nasa iba. Yeah. It could be relationship, friendship, work, family. Lalo na kapatid ko, ikaw, ito yung may mga anak, ano, or family members. Yes, don't forget na andyan sila. I think you need to put effort as well. Yeah, hindi lang yung ikaw lang yung nagtitake palagi, ano. Tanggap lang ng tanggap ng mga parangal, mga bulaklak. Kasi siguro itong taong ito nag-e-effort din. Yeah. Nagbibigay effort, parang ikaw naman ay wala lang, I don't know. I think most likely hindi mo pansin. Yeah, na naghihintay siya sa iyo na gagawa ka naman ng effort para sa kanya. Whoever this person. Like again guys, kung random mo na para sa itong reading na ito, then meaning this reading is meant for you. Kung hindi naman, then skip nyo lang dahil baka sa ibang kapatid ninyo ito. Yeah, so I guess, itong tang ito minamanifest ka mga kapatid. Yeah. All eyes on you because energetically, you guys are becoming more admirable. Marami ka na-achieve. Yeah. Marami nang liligaw sa iyo. Maybe this person is planning to approach you as well. Or siguro nag-start na siya, no? Then maybe this person already made a move. Kaya lang parang hindi mo masyadong pansin eh kasi nakatutok ka sa ibang mga bagay. Like again, focus ka sa siguro sa sarili mo, self-care, self-love, studies, finances, career, or family. Yeah. Okay. And again, guys, you are truly protected. So, kung itong taong ito hindi makalapit-lapit sa inyo, maybe, kasi si universe alam ni universe kung sino ang taong para sa iyo. Kung sino itong taong pwedeng lapitan ka. And that's why the universe is protecting you. Nagagalit sila kung ang taong ito ay user, or may pagkademonyo, ano. So, yan. Again, the universe put a barrel. Yeah. Talagang pinuprotektahan ka ng universe para hindi makalapit-lapit itong taong ito. Kaya ang taong ito hanggang tingin na lang. And maybe that's why I'm also getting like gossiping. May mga gossiping, mga haka-haka. Gumagawa ng storya. Like again guys, you are very attractive energetically and physically. Yes. Mas gumaganda ka pa lalo. Mas naging seductive ka pa. Gumagwapo, naging macho. Or siguro dahil stable ka, and kaya siguro may mga babae din, kung ikaw tong lalaki, ano, or vice versa. Yes, pinag-usapan nito mga stable, stable relationship. Maybe people talk about your relationship. That's why, nagmamasid ang mga taong ito, no? Because they are just, I don't know, gossiping. Pinag-uusapan ka. Pinag-uusapan itong love life mo. Siguro single parent ka. And mas lalo kang gumagwapo, gumaganda. Yes, and I don't know, like, para bang na-amaze. Yeah, meron kasi itong na-amaze. Na-amaze sila sa katalinuhan mo, kagandahan mo, o siguro nasa abroad ka. Yeah, very specific. I'm hearing like, how to be like you. Yeah. Paano mo na, I don't know, something about like dream come true. Siguro yung pangarap nila ay na-achieve mo. And that's why they're like dreaming. They're wishing to be like you, or they wish to have what you have right now. Yeah. So, that could be the reason kung anong meron sa inyo. Dahil nasa iyo na lahat kung ano yung gusto nila or pinapangarap nila. I wish to have your boyfriend. I wish to have your life, your lifestyle, your beauty, your brain. Wow. Beauty with brain. Yung pa-travel-travel na lang. Siguro, kung ikaw tong nasa abroad na or nasa malayo na, like again, this person very specifically, iniisip ka, hoping na mapansin mo siya. It could be sa social media, or um, may pagka-celebrity ka rin siguro, ano. Wow. That could be also, mga kapatid. Daig mo pang celebrity. Yeah. Or boss. I don't know, something energetically na malakas na malakas. It's like pulling them. Kaya yung attention ay nasa inyo. Pinag-usapan ka. What do you think about these people? I think psychically you can sense na ikaw ang pinag-usapan ng mga taong ito. Mga tao or someone, no? Alright, how do you think about these people or person? Currently, mga kapatid, ito ay nangyayari. If this video happen na makita mo ito, maybe this is meant for you, no? Na pinag-usapan ka ng mga taong ito, attractive ka ngayon, and yes, people trying hard to be like you, kinokopya ka, pinag-usapan yung lifestyle mo. Sana all, no? Mapapasana all na lang sila dahil siguro sa new relationship mo, happy-go-lucky ka na lang, matalino, marami kang na-achieve, may mga parangal, gumaganda ka lalo, mayroon dito may pagka-beauty pageant. Siguro sumasali ka sa mga beauty pageant, rampa dito, rampa doon, and siguro hindi ka na namamansin. That could be also kaya napag-usapan ka, or I'm also getting like this person thinking about you na what's with you, no? But mas lalo ka pang you do better than this person. I don't know why. What this person done wrong, or anong meron sa'yo na wala sa kanya. Okay. So, yes, peaceful resolution, moving on, compromising, communication, ending conflict. Like again, guys, meron dito sa inyo, you end the conflict. You moved on. Self-care, self-love, focus kayo sa inyong mga manifestation, sa dreams, sa mga, sa trabaho, career, studies. That's the different, no? Na meron sa iyo na wala itong taong ito. Dahil nakapag-move on ka na. Kaya, mas lalo kang naging matatag. Yes. And, ikaw yung tao ngayon na hindi mo na lang pinapansin yung mga chismis, yung mga inggiterang palaka, ano? Yes. And, I know you guys are truly intuitive. Nasisense mo, energetically, you have becoming more awakened. Happy. Parang komportable ka na lang, okay na lang sa'yo ngayon kung anong meron sa'yo, no? And you just don't care about these people behind you. That's all it matters. Ang importante ay nakasurvive ka, nagpapaganda ka lalo, nagpapagwapo, dahil wala naman silang maibigay na ambag. I think that's your thing right now, no? Wala naman silang maibigay na ambag, and I think yun na lang. Mag-aral ka na lang, magtrabaho, and suportahan itong mga tao sa paligid mo na dapat mong suportahan, pamilya. And yes, you are attracting more about your relationship. And that could be the reason na mas lalo ka pang naging stable, ano? Stable ang iyong relationship. And that's why people talk about your relationship. Something could be about your partner na mas lalo kang nagiging gwapo, gumaganda, kasi meron kang partnership. And I'm also getting like investment. Maybe people talking about your investment. Siguro, negosyante ka. Marami ka sigurong mga, I don't know, like, negosyo, or maybe you are good at something, no, na mag-i-improve. People talk about you na, siguro hingi sila ng tulong. Ask your advice. What do you think? Kasi alam nila na reliable ka. Maasahan. Yes. And I'm so proud of you, mga kapatid. And that's how people think of you at this moment. Reliable, stable, attractive. I'm also getting like maybe this person, like again, these people or person manifesting you to give attention. Bigyan mo ng attention. Kausapin mo. Like again, you are protected. Kaya may mga boundaries. Siguro nagtataka ka na lang kung bakit something wrong na hindi ka maging close sa taong ito, very specific. Bakit ba kahit anong gagawin mo na makipag-close sa taong ito, hindi ka talaga pwedeng maging close sa taong ito? It's because limited lang. Binibigyan ka ng limitado ni universe na kung sino lang ang pwedeng kausapin mo. Kasi alam ni universe na pinag-usapan ka ng taong ito. Maybe betrayal. Nakapag-move on ka na. Maybe no more second chance. Siguro sinaktan ka ng taong ito. Yeah. Ngayon na nakapag-move on ka na, stable ka na, no reason to turn your back. Or, harapin itong taong itong muli. Balikan. Pag nakapag-move on na, huwag mo nang kailangan, no need na harapin ulit itong taong ito. Or, get back to that person again. Keep moving forward. And that's what the universe wants you to do. Keep moving forward. Hindi mo na kailangan lingunan yung mga, hindi mo na kailangan lumingon pa sa mga nakaraan. Keep moving forward. Make your plan for the future. 1717. Check that out, mga kapatid. 1717. Angel number 1717. So that's the reason. Alamin natin kung sino itong pinag-uusapan ka. Hold on. So, we have here si lola mo, ay pinagmamastan ka. I think your lola is so proud of you. Kung ang lola mo ay buhay pa, no? Even na siguro kung iba dito ay wala na, sumalangit na, they are too proud of you, watching you. Maybe your lola is one of your spirit guides, no? Who's been guiding you, protecting you. Healer, you heal these people, and that's why they're watching you. Pinag-usapan siguro, no? Pinag-usapan siguro ikaw, kapatid, dahil as a psychic healer, yes, you healed a lot of people, effective, napaka-epektibo ng iyong mga whatever you do, no? As a healer. It could be a nurse or a doctor or anong tawag nito? Physician. I'm hearing like physician or I don't know, manghuhula. Yeah. Or anong tawag nito? Yung nabibigyan ng mga gamot-gamot. Yeah. Okay. Kaibigan na babae is watching you, stalking you, or talking about you. And seaman, yes. You're dealing with seaman. Wow. Ex-boyfriend is watching you, stalking you. Maybe that's why this person can't get closer. Kasi ex mo na, hindi mo na kailangan balikan pa. And kaya nga siguro, you are just looking forward, no? Nakaharap ka lang sa harapan, hindi ka na lumilingon sa likod. Because what's already from the past is already left behind. And that's okay. That's why your guides are too happy for you, no? They're proud of you. Childhood friend is watching you. Maybe hindi mo na kinakausap yung mga childhood friends mo noon dahil busy ka. And siguro may nagtatampo dito. Opisyal na lalaki. Ang lalaking ito ay nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, ano? May anak na. Ang taong ito ay may anak na. Okay. I don't know if you are, I'm also getting like, may anak na. Maybe this is your ex-husband, ex-wife, yeah, ex-boyfriend, ex-partner. Okay, or siguro like may anak ng taong ito. Ang most of them like may pagka-bitter. Hindi po, kung ikaw guys, mga kapatid, kung may anak ka na, single parent, at may bago kang karelasyon, inggit siguro ang taong ito. It's not because may anak ka na, hindi ka na pwedeng magpaligaw muli. Yeah, too much bitterness, I'm also getting that. Siguro sa OFW, kung ikaw itong OFW, very specific. Yeah. Inggit lang ang peg, kaya ang taong ito ay pinag-uusapan ka, and yeah, may distance, and you know who this person is. Okay. So, advice na tayo mga kapatid before mag-end ang ating reading. Okay, alamin mo natin yung letter. Sino kung taong pinag-usapan ka or all eyes on you? Like again guys, yung boss mong lalaki, exes, admirer na babae, some of your friends admiring you, talking about you, cheering you up, happy about your new love life, your career, your achievement, yes, your beauty, they want to be like you, mapapasa na all na lang sila sa inyo. Meron naman dito siguro from the past, exes, childhood friend, family member, hoping na mabigyan mo siya ng pansin or kausapin mo sila. May distance dito. Siguro, meron kasi itong binablock mo na. Yeah. Hindi mo na kausap itong taong ito. Very specific here. I don't know what happened from the past. Kasi ito, focus ka lang sa mga future. Sa positivity, which is good for you. Alright. We have here R-O-S. This could be you or the person na pinag-usapan ka. Letter T, G, and D. Okay. So, advice from the universe. Okay. Spirit Angels, final advice at mga collective. What you need to know at this moment. Okay. Gift from faith. Yes. Guys, keep searching whatever you have been looking for. Kung ano yung gusto mo, bagong trabaho. If you're feeling like kailangan mo ng bago, I don't know, bagong damit, work, relationship, I don't know. Iba-iba yung sitwasyon ninyo, then it's okay. You have a freedom to do so. As long as single ka, wala ka namang pinapahamak na tao, pamilya, okay lang. And especially sa mga career, focus sa studies, yeah, the universe wants you to stay focused on what you are working for. Kung ano yung na-start, nasimulan mo na, then keep going. Fate sometimes surprises us. It may be an opportunity or a person. Cherish these gifts and treat them with gratitude. They will make your life better. So yes, cherish the situation, the gift. It could be some material things, or it could be a person. It's a gift from the universe. Yes, learn how to appreciate what's around you. Okay? Kung ano mo yung na-achieve niyo mga kapatid, again, especially no, sa mga pamilya natin, huwag kalimutan yung mga tao sa paligid natin. Huwag makalimot sa kanila. Hindi dahil sa kanila mga kapatid, wala kang ma-achieve ngayon, ano? Magpasalamat tayo dahil sa kanila, andyan ka ngayon. Mataas na ang narating mo. They're the ones who supported you. They're the ones who been there, guiding you, giving you advice from good and bad. Sa partnership, relationship, friendship, even sa company. Kailangan ma-appreciate natin. It's a gift from the God. Alright? So, that's it for today mga kapatid. I do hope nag-enjoy kayo mga kapatid. I love you guys. And again guys, huwag tayo mag-focus lang kung anong meron ngayon, no? Again, sa mga busy-busyhan dyan, huwag kalimutan ng pamilya natin na andyan. Kailangan din na maglagay ng oras para sa kanila. Alright, so I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next reading. Bye!